Hi, I'm Anna Maria. I'm here to do my Fenty Face today in the Pro Filter foundation shade in 105, one of 10 new shades that racks up to 50 foundation shades for Fenty Beauty. I always start with the Pro Filter primer. A lot of foundations that have lighter shades are typically more on the pink side. I do get a lot of redness, but it doesn't match my neck. Fenty just came out with shades that have yellow undertones, so I've been able to find a more exact match. This is one of the 10 new shades that I start in the areas that are needed, and I do one thin layer all across my face. I am having a little bit of a breakout right now. It's completely normal, so now I'm gonna go in and add extra coverage. I actually got to be behind the scenes when Fenty was creating the shades. It was really awesome to see how much time and effort that they put into making sure everybody has a shade. Rihanna is not stopping at foundation. She is launching a brand new concealer under the Pro Filter family. This is shade 105, which complements my foundation shade that I applied earlier. I've been wearing it for the last week, and my coworkers asked me if I got an extra hour's sleep, which is a compliment because I did not. Just put a little dab on each eyelid, and then I just like to blend it out with my finger. Redness gone in 2 seconds. You want to make sure that your concealer is not going into your creases, and you want to just make sure it's not moving around. I am going to go in with the new Pro Filter setting powder. Rihanna launched it in 8 shades, and I've never really seen a shaded setting powder before. And what's awesome about this one is it brightens. People just ask me like, what are you using? What are you using? This is my secret. So after I put my concealer and set it under my eyes, I'm going to go in and take the powder and put it in the areas that I need it the most, so where I get oily. It's like one of those like oddly satisfying videos where they're like playing with goop or like cutting soap. I want to sit there in front of a camera just like this all day. Can that be a day job? I do need to add a little color just to like amp up my skin. The best shade that I've ever used is actually amber. So I just want to take the brush here and I just like do a circular motion on top. I want to make sure I add a little more color with blush. So I go in with the shade Yacht Life. You can do like the smiley thing and see where it needs to go. And I like to put it on top of the contour too, just to make sure everything looks really blended and not have like the pink and the brown. This is my favorite step of all time. I'm gonna add some highlight. I've been using this one since the brand launched. This is the shade in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I typically add them on top of each other. I don't know if I'm the only person that does that. So I'm gonna go in and take the highlighter that has a little less glitter in it. And then this is when I go in with the more glittery side. Oh wow. The last step is adding a little bit of lip. This is my favorite lip gloss in the world. It is Gloss Bomb. This is the new shade in Fussy. It does bring out that natural pink in my lip and just really gives you that like luscious glossy lip. Thank you so much for watching along while I do my Fenty Face. Please be sure to follow and subscribe to Fenty Beauty.